Do you want to play games in the Facebook Messenger with your friends? Playing games with friends on Messenger is a fun way to pass the time and challenge each other. So, let's learn how to use this amazing feature. First, open Messenger. Tap on the conversation with the friend you want to play a game with. You can also start a new chat. In the chat, you will see a plus icon or a paperclip icon on the lower left corner. Tap on it. Then tap Play Games. Select any of the games you wish to play. For example, the first game over here, let the game load. Now, just like any other multiplayer game, you will be able to play this game with your friends. Some games may require both players to take turns, while others may allow real-time play. So that's how you can easily play games with your friends on Messenger from your Android device. If this video helped you make your Messenger more fun, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing tips just like this.